Milliposts. Jobs, Current Affairs, GK. Namaskar. Current Affairs Quiz, 1st July 2024. 1. Which state government recently launched the Mukhyamantri Majhi Ladki Bahin scheme? A. Maharashtra. B. Odisha. C. Gujarat. D. Kerala. Correct answer A. Maharashtra. The Mukhyamantri Majhi Ladki Bahin scheme 2024, launched in Maharashtra, offers free education for girls and support for the unemployed. Eligible women aged 21 to 60 will receive 1,500 rupees monthly. Aimed at promoting financial independence and self-reliance, the scheme includes a budget of 46,000 crores, providing various benefits to women, enhancing their development and overall well-being. 2. Recently, who has been elected as the new President of the European Council of the European Union? A. Charles Michel. B. Antonio Costa. C. Herman Van Rompuy. D. Von der Leyen. Correct answer B. Antonio Costa. Antonio Costa, former Prime Minister of Portugal, was elected President of the European Council, replacing Charles Michel, effective 1st October 2024. Estonian Prime Minister Kaja Kallas will be the new High Representative for Foreign Affairs and Security Policy. The European Council elects its president by secret ballot for a 2.5-year term, renewable once. The president leads the Council's work and represents the EU internationally. 3. Neomarchushul region, recently seen in news due to flash floods, is located in which state UT? A. Assam. B. Sikkim. C. Ladakh. D. Uttarakhand. Correct answer C. Ladakh. Recently, 5 army personnel, including a JCO and 4 Jawans, died when their T-72 tank got stuck in the Shyok River near Neomarchushul, eastern Ladakh, due to a sudden water level rise. Despite rescue efforts, strong currents prevented their rescue. The T-72 tanks, initially designed by the Soviet Union and later modernized as T-72 Ajay, were deployed in Ladakh post-2020 Galwan clash. 4. Recently, where was the Financial Action Task Force (FATF) meeting held? A. China. B. France. C. Indonesia. D. Singapore. Correct answer D. Singapore. India has been placed in the regular follow-up category by the Financial Action Task Force (FATF) after its plenary meeting in Singapore from June 26 to 28, 2024. The meeting evaluated 17 countries on anti-money laundering, anti-terrorism financing, and anti-proliferation compliance. India, Russia, France, Italy, and the UK were kept in the regular follow-up, while one country was grey-listed. The FATF commended India's efforts but urged quicker prosecution in such cases. 5. Svalbard, recently seen in the news, is an archipelago located in which ocean? A. Arctic Ocean. B. Indian Ocean. C. Atlantic Ocean. D. Pacific Ocean. Correct answer A. Arctic Ocean. Scientists are exploring hydrothermal vents on Svalbard's Knipovich Ridge, a 500-kilometer-long ridge in the Arctic Ocean. Svalbard, discovered in 1596 by Willem Barents, is an Arctic archipelago under Norwegian sovereignty. It lies between the North Pole and Norway, covering 61,022 sq.km with a majority glaciated. Featuring Spitsbergen as its largest island, Svalbard experiences Arctic conditions, including midnight sun and polar night due to its location in the Arctic Circle.